All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Michael Burt. Hope you're off to a great start this Friday morning, folks. I am at the Greatness Factory of Nashville. Just flew in a day early from New York City because I had completed all my business in New York City, but I want to talk about that this morning. If you've never been to the Greatness Factory, look at that, podcast studio. Heading into the Dream Foundry right now, and I want to talk about getting out of your bubble, right? I want to talk about getting out of your bubble. What I like to do is bring something every day. You can get these on my YouTube channel. Getting these lights up and going too. This is the Money Lab. This is where I do a lot of my one-to-one coaching sessions at, right here in the Money Lab. Boom, beautiful views. And then we'll head over to the theater. But what I want to talk about this morning is I want to talk about getting out of the bubble. I was in New York City, and I was taking meetings with people, new people, right? You hear me say you don't need more money, you need more people, because the people have the money. Let me say that again. You hear me say a lot, you don't need more money, you need more people, because the people have the money. So I was in New York City. I went up to Greenwich, Connecticut, and I met with people, and I was reminded when I went up to Greenwich, when I met with people, one of the wealthiest places in the world, folks, Greenwich, Connecticut, especially in the United States. I was reminded that everybody's got ambitions and everybody's got problems. Okay? I really want you to get what I'm saying here. As long as people have ambitions and as long as people have problems, there will always be ways to generate income. Now, if you're trying to generate income one way and that way's not working, how do you strategically pivot the business so that you can move toward where the money is, right? And if you got to pivot, because when I sit on the plane, I fly back at night, I'm like, man, there's so much undercapitalized opportunity that we're not capturing. And then I ask questions like, what do I want to do? What problems can I solve? Who can I help? But when I went to Greenwich, it's like I got to ride up an hour up to Greenwich, Connecticut. Then I got to come back to New York City. And right then it's like, but here's the deal. I'm doing exactly what I'm teaching you and my students to do. We get out every day and we move and circulate. People of interest have a message. They have a mission. They have a movement. And they ultimately have a monetization. Okay? You're thinking one-dimensional. When I'm going to go to New York City and I'm going to sell these people my product or service. I'm thinking I'm going to go to New York City and meet people and find opportunity. We may license a Greatness Factory in Greenwich, Connecticut. We may license one in New York City. There may be a strategic partner. There may be a connection to somebody else. So I'm thinking you don't need more money, you need more people. Go meet new people. Hey, show people what you can do. Don't tell them. Show them what you can do. And then follow up with those people. Now, I teach all of this in a concept called tactical connection. And I'm actually teaching this next Wednesday right here in this theater, 109-person theater at the Greatness Factory. You can rent this. You can have your events here. Okay? And I can come speak at your events here at my Greatness Factory because I'm telling you, it's an incredible place. So, what's the lesson? You don't need more money. You need more people. Go, get out of your bubble, same people you talk to every week, and meet new people. See, I see people in the city 30 minutes down the road where I live. They're like, well, I don't want to go into Nashville. You know, it's a lot of traffic in Nashville. Folks, there's traffic because there's people. And where there's people and where there's problems, there's opportunity. And if you don't want to be inconvenienced enough and you just keep doing what you're doing, maybe you need to meet some new people. Maybe you need to be in a different room. Maybe you need to follow up on some new opportunity. Right? Like maybe we met the enemy and the enemy is us. Maybe, just maybe, folks. So I'm inviting you, 31st, Bonnie Huntsman, 31st, Tactical Connection. You can grab this virtually or you can come in person, okay? Tactical Connection. I'll show you every strategy I use to go meet new people, find opportunity, follow up on that opportunity, okay? I'll post a link. I'm Coach. You guys have a great day. These are all on my YouTube channel as well, okay? Follow me on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. Follow up, Robert. Get these videos every day because we grab them, we pull them, and we put them up there. Fair enough? It's a great view of the theater right there. Look at that. Boom, boom. Every time I'm here, man, it's like Disneyland for business people. I love it. See you soon.